Hi, Vasco Ispirian from Garnish Music Production School. Today we are going to create our own chorus effect. Let's say I'm working on this bass line and I feel it's a little flat. Let's see how can I fatten it. First, let's make two copies of the same channel. Rename them as right and left. I'm going to apply slightly modifications on the pitch as well as on the EQ. On the first copy, I'm going to add some digital distortion. Adjust the EQ and add some reverb. Finally, I'm going to pan it to the right. The second one, I'm going to detune it 5 semitones up. And I'm going to add a resonator and a flanger. Adjust the EQ and pan it to the left. Finally, I'm going to mix them and add reverb as well. Group them and throw a compressor on the group to make them fit better on the mix. Try your own favorite combination of effects. This way of flattened signals works well with all kinds of sounds. Try on leads, vocals, or even on sound effects. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.